Hey, what's up guys, Appletechnics here. In today's video we're going to talk about another application, that is Oppa. Download Oppa from my link and get $1 signing bonus. Oppa is like Instagram with money. You can chat with other people, you can like their profile, like the picture, you can send money them in dollars and you can get money by them. So isn't it awesome? Yeah, is it? You can see there are so many people from different countries. There are so many options. Tap. You can find people nearby you by just enabling your location, and you can explore people all over the world. You can filter people according to your choices, like by their age, location, gender, status, and skin color also. You can discover new oppas is like your friend. You can discover your new friend from here. Yeah, so many people from different countries. Oh, she look pretty. Here you can see I have earned $5.40 in 2 days. You can earn money by doing by downloading this application. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe my channel.